This is the anti-snore chin strap. It can reduce your mouth from opening while you're sleeping, effectively reducing snoring caused by mouth breathing, and help you develop a good habit of breathing through your nose. It is lightweight and breathable fabric, and it has an elastic design, making it user-friendly. It is soft and comfortable to wear, and it won't bug you if you are using it for long periods of time. This is nice and soft, and it stretches to be comfortable. If it's not tight enough, you have these Velcro straps to tighten it up even more. Just want to make sure that it fits snugly against your chin so that it doesn't cause discomfort.